Millions of viewers around the world have been tuning in to watch the legal battle between former Hollywood couple Johnny Depp and Amber Heard. And while the drama unfolds before our eyes, Mr. Depp's hotshot lawyer Camille Vasquez is also becoming an internet celebrity. The 37-year-old lawyer from California has caught the attention of fans for her sharp legal style as well as for rumors that she's dating her client Johnny Depp. But is she? Well, either way, t-shirts with Camille's name and hashtags are circling social media, and TikTok videos of her in court even went viral, one of which gained 27 million views in a few short days. So who is this attorney that seemingly caught everyone's eye? Well, if you want to learn more about the story of Camille Vasquez and whether or not she and Mr. Depp are an item, then stay tuned because we'll get into all of that and more here for you on Famous Life. Camille Vasquez was born in July 1984 in San Francisco, California, to father Lionel and mother Marilia Vasquez, who are of Colombian and Cuban descent. We also know from photos that Camille has at least one sister, but not sure of any other siblings. Sources say that her father once owned a UPS store in Anaheim, but the location has been a FedEx store for the past 10 years, an employee told DailyMail.com. Her parents are said to currently live in a $1 million home in Buena Park, California, according to records. Camille graduated from the University of Southern California in 2006 with a Bachelor of Arts degree in Political Science and Communications with magna cum laude, or honors if you will. Following this, and considering her inquisitive nature, she decided to go to Southwestern Law School, which is a private law school in Los Angeles, from which she graduated in 2010 with a Juris Doctorate degree. After 7 years of law experience, Camille earned an attorney position at the firm Manat, Phelps & Phillips LLP, but left after a year for a new gig. This was when she signed on to become a member of the international law firm Brown Rudnick, based in the Orange County office, for which she currently works. For the last 4 years, Vasquez has been an associate at the high-profile law firm, and Johnny Depp had sought her out to represent him in his $50 million defamation case against ex-wife Amber Heard, one of 9 attorneys from Brown Rudnick that are involved in this trial. Camille focuses on plaintiff-side defamation suits with additional experience litigating contract disputes, business-related torts, and employment-related claims, according to her firm's website. She is also listed as having extensive experience handling parallel reputation management and crisis communications issues arising from these engagements. Clearly, with her expertise in plaintiff-side defamation suits, she makes a good fit for her client, Mr. Depp. In 2021, Camille was named as one to watch by the best lawyers in America for 2021 to 2022 and is evidently living up to her billing. Not to mention, Vasquez is also bilingual and speaks Spanish. As for what else we know about Camille, she keeps her personal life on the down low. She currently resides in Orange County, California, but has never married, and when faced with rumors that she's dating Johnny Depp, the star lawyer has laughed them off. While the two have been very close during the trial, they remain professional, and what's likely the case is that they are both just passionate about the situation. While the two have been very close during the trial, they've remained professional, and what's likely the case is that they are both just passionate about the situation and coming out on top in court. It's said that Camille is either single, or other sources claim she's been in a relationship for several months. The glances and touches that Camille and her client Johnny have exchanged in the courtroom have given rise to a ton of social media speculation about their relationship. While sources debunk this and explain that Camille is happily taken, it's said that she's dating a British guy who works in real estate whom she's been seeing for several months. But why else are fans so obsessed with the glamorous lawyer? Camille garnered attention and praise for her tough cross-examination of Amber Heard. Depp supporters were said to have lined up outside the courtroom in Fairfax, Virginia, where it's all going down, just to see or hug Vasquez, while the videos of Camille in action are gaining hundreds of millions of views online. The cross-examination with Amber was more intense than when Vasquez questioned other witnesses, considering she often sparred with the actress on the stand. Over the 2 days of cross-examination, Camille attempted to cast doubt on Miss Heard's account of her troubled marriage to Depp, hoping that the jury would see inconsistencies in her claims. Ms. Vasquez inquired during one instance, referring to a chaotic 2015 fight in Australia. "You're the one who assaulted someone with a bottle in Australia, isn't that right, Miss Heard? You weren't scared of him at all, were you?" As Amber had alleged that Johnny had assaulted her with the bottle. Other memorable moments in court included Ms. Vasquez questioning her about the fate of the $7 million she pledged to charity, as well as accusing her of editing photos of herself with bruises, and in one case even suggesting that she partly owes her box office success to Mr. Depp, alleging, "Johnny Depp got you that role in Aquaman, didn't he?" Social media users have even said that Camille used a legally blonde tactic during court, if any of you are familiar with the film. The latest moment to go viral was a Depp fan on TikTok who got 3.3 million views for sharing the moment. In this instance, Camille asks, "You are not called upon to provide a detailed account of all physical and sexual abuse by Mr. Depp until February 2020, is that correct?" And Heard agrees with this date, telling the jury, "I testified that I had not been able to do so until February 2020 outside the context of a cold deposition." Vasquez then admits she misspoke and that the actual date was February 2022, to which Heard says, "Right, sorry, I did the same thing you did." Many viewers did question the significance of Vasquez seemingly tricking Heard, which might make the actress look bad with the jury. On the other hand, many Depp fans praised Vasquez and call this move clever, even comparing it to famous lawyers from pop culture, including Elle Woods in Legally Blonde, as well as Saul Goodman from Better Call Saul and Breaking Bad. But is Camille really a role model or not? In the end, she's just doing what she's paid to do as a lawyer and getting praised by Depp fans in the process. However, her spirited defense for Mr. Depp has also made her a topic of discussion within the Me Too movement against sexual abuse and harassment. Some critics have accused Camille of discrediting Ms. Heard's claims and allegations of abuse. Some say on Twitter, "Shout out to Camille Vasquez for single-handedly setting feminism back 50 years in less than 2 hours. History won't remember you kindly." But Camille's supporters have praised her for standing up for male victims of domestic violence on the other hand. Well, it's yet to be seen whether Camille Vasquez's popularity and internet fame will translate into courtroom success in winning the case. Just because she's going viral on TikTok doesn't mean that individual jurors are having the same reaction, which will be more of a defining moment in the end. And for those Depp fans hoping that Camille and him are an item or linked romantically, multiple outlets have reported the two have a strictly professional relationship. Well, I'm sure we're all just on the edge of our seats, waiting to see what the outcome of this trial is. And until then, I hope you learned a bit more about this rising star lawyer, Camille Vasquez. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Famous Life and leave a comment for who you'd like us to feature next.